Hi, this is Danielle from proactiveva.com, and I just wanted to show you how to copy an existing page using the Divi theme by Elegant Themes. It's really easy. All you do is you go to your pages, add a new page, and then you just make sure that you use select the Divi builder and hit load layout down here. And you see these options, there's the pre-made layouts, and these are the ones offered by Divi that you could use. And then you have your saved ones, and then there's your existing pages. So you can go to your existing pages, you can find a page that you've created. So let's say I want to duplicate my free social media content planner. You just click on it, and it puts it up there right away. And then you can go in and edit things on their own. I hope that helps you. Don't forget to visit my website at proactiveva.com for more resources and follow me on social media. The links are below.